good morning to our respected principal, vice principal, teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Archana Mandal from grade 8B, standing in front of you all to conduct today morning assembly. First of all, I would like to thank our class teacher, Aditya sir, for giving us this golden opportunity. Now, without any delay, begin today assembly with some news headlines. काङ्ग्रेसमा देवालाई फेरि सक्रिय बनाउन खोजिँदै नयाँ दिल्लीमा बस विस्फोटको कम्तीमा 8 जनाको मृत्यु 2 महिनापछि खुल्यो सवारी चालक अनुमति पत्रको आवेदन मध्य प्रदेश प्रमुख सुवेदीलाई हटाउने मन्त्री परिषदको निर्णय मध्य प्रदेश प्रमुखले असंवैधानिक बाटोबाट मुख्यमन्त्री नियुक्त गर्नुभयो थ्याङ्क यू फर आवर लिसनिङ नाउ आई विल लाइक hand over this mic to my friend.
Thank you, Archana, for handing over this mic to me. Now I will like to say a short speech on the topic value of time. It is a saying, time and tide wait for no one. The saying is indeed true. Time waits for no one, it comes and goes. Time is absolutely unboundable, neither money nor position can buy it. Nothing on the earth can conquer it. The most remarkable feature of time is precious. It is potential. It is something which we cannot calculate. A minute is enough to win a victory. A second is enough to make you the richest man in the world. A fraction of a second can make a difference between life and death. Every moment brings thousands of golden moments to meet. Therefore, we should not allow such precious time to slip away. If we do so, we allow such golden opportunities and chances slip away too. As we go through life, we realize for ourselves that if there is anything in the world which will not never come back, it is time. One time when it gone, it will never come back. Those who realize this basic truth of life will never allow time to pass away unused. To utilize time when we have to be about how are we going to do with it. Until and unless we set up a timetable for ourselves and make a general division of time for various tasks and jobs on our head, time will keep slipping away. Its golden opportunities will go unnoticed. Unplanned living is surest way to kill time. Having worked out every minute of the allotted time, they will not hurry planning and proper implementation of that always bring in. Those who plan their living and activities seldom face heart attack, mental tension and worries. A careful glance into the history of successful men and women all over the world will reveal the basic truth of their success. Therefore, if we want to succeed in life, we have to plan what are we going to do with the minute, hour, days, month and year at our disposal. We should not waste our time on useless things. This is the first step to success. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over this mic to my friend Susan.
Thank you all for handing this mic to me. Now I would like to say some amazing facts. Dogs can sense our moods. Butterflies taste with their feet. Your brain uses about 20% of your body energy when you are resting. There's a jellyfish that never dies of old age. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters every year. The footprints on the moon will stay for millions of years. Your body has more bacterial cells than human cells. So now I would like to hand over this mic to my friend Smith.
Thank you, Susan, for handing this mic to me. Now I would like to ask some quiz. What software company in headquartered in Redmond, Washington? Question again. What software company in headquarters in Redmond, Washington? The correct answer is Microsoft. What is the world largest retailer of 2025? Walmart is the correct answer. Which country has the highest life expectancy as 2025? Wrong answer. Monaco is the correct answer. What is acrophobia? Correct answer. What is the fourth letter of Greek alphabet? What is the fourth letter of Greek alphabet? Delta is the correct answer. Now put your right hand on your left chest and be ready for national.
Okay, be ready for national anthem.
Girls, boys. We'll make a selection. Miss Answer will select you. So every day after 4 or 5, you come and practice and be perfect. Within 2 weeks, we are going to participate. One international chess competition. This is I think this chess also rated chess tournament. So you will get a rate and you will get a unique number. Your chess as a chess player internationally, unique number. Then your grading will come there. Your score will come there. And international rating will come there. After all, wherever you go, you will have that same ID number to play international games. Okay, thank you.